In this video I'll be talking about SHM of a cylinder in a liquid. So suppose that if you see the diagram, this is the diagram. Let's say we have a container, and in this container we have a small cylindrical block. Okay, so let's say this is our small cylindrical block and it is actually floating like this. Okay, suppose that if I displace this block, suppose this is floating like this, and if I displace this block further x distance, then first of all prove this is SHM and then find out the time period of the oscillations of the SHM. So what is given, that density of the liquid is, let's say, rho, and d is the density of the block, and this height, total height is, let's say, L, and yeah, so we need to find out the time period of this SHM and prove that initially this is SHM. So if you see the initial condition when block is in initial condition, if you draw the FBD, there will be a bind force and mg will be downwards. So only FBD will be bind force and downwards mg. And because condition of floating says B minus mg should be equal to 0, net force has to be balanced, that means B is equal to mg, and we know that B is given by V emerge rho liquid into G. This is accordingly Archimedes principle. So here volume, suppose that this cross section area is A, so V emerged can be written in this case A into how much volume is emerged, so this is D length, so let's say this is H length. Okay, so A into H I can write here. So V emerge is A into H, and rho liquid is of course rho, so we can write AH rho into G. This is B. So we got AH rho G is equal to mg. Okay, so from here mass can be written as rho AH. Perfect. Yeah, now for SHM after we displace the block certain distance x, so if you draw the diagram it will be like this. So it was already at this position, now we have displaced like this, so now block in this condition. Okay, not in this condition, this is the condition, and now the total height will become x plus h, right? So now this time V emerged dash can be written as A into x plus h, because cross section area was A. So this time if you draw the FBD, bind force will change, which is B dash, this time this will be mg, so definitely there will be some net force. Okay, so F, that force F, okay, will be is equal to mg minus B dash, right? Because that is going to be the force which opposes the direction of the motion. Okay, here that is the scenario. Then I can write here that F will be is equal to mg minus B dash is V emerge dash rho liquid into G. So we can substitute the value mg minus V emerge dash is A into x plus h rho into G. Now let us solve this and then let's see what we are achieving here. So we removed for this So that F will be is equal to mg minus a rho xg minus a rho hg. Interestingly, we have proved that m is equal to rho a h. So we can substitute here m is equal to rho a h g minus rho a h g and minus a rho x g. So interestingly, this is cancelled out. Once this is cancelled out, so this f is equal to minus a rho g and x. If you can see, compare the equation, we have SHM equation is minus kx. So that's how we proved here f is proportional to x, which shows this is SHM, because in SHM force is proportional to displacement, magnitude of displacement, right? So this is SHM, and once this is SHM, then we can compare, this is general SHM equation. So here this k will be is equal to a rho g, and we know that time period formula 2 pi under root of m by k. If we substitute that 2 pi and under root of m is going to be so mass of this block, as we have density, either we can substitute this value also of mass. Okay, so mass was a h into rho divided by k is a rho g. So this is cancelled out, so a and a cancelled out, rho and rho cancelled out, so t will be is equal to 2 pi under root of h by g. This can also be the answer. And as well, we can also find out a separate answer. How? Because this mass can also be obtained from the volume, so we can write v into d. This d is the density of the block. So if we know the density of the block, then also it can be obtained. And the total height, if total height is, let's say, L, then it will be A into L into D, that I also can write. And then I can apply T is equal to 2 pi under root of m by k. So this time, instead of m's value a rho g, we can write A L D upon k. K was a rho g. So now this will be a and a cancelled out, so we got t is equal to, let us write, t is equal to 2 pi under root of ld upon rho g. This can also be the answer. So both the answers of time period are correct, and we already proved that this was SHM. Okay, so that's how we solve such type of questions of related to SHM in liquids. Okay, yeah.